A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice, J for juice, K for key, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for pencil, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sun, T for table, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watermelon, X for Xerox machine, Y for yellow, Z for zebra.